Hello guys, in this video I will tell you whether you should purchase this FCUK watch or not. Before getting to the conclusion of whether you should purchase it or not, let me tell you a few things about these features provided by this watch. If you can see, it will look like exactly like an Apple watch, like that round dial on the screen, and it has one important feature like accessing like calls from direct through watch. Like you can speak right from the watch itself. There is no need to uh, like touch the phone and accept the call. It has the speakers also on the side, you can see, and it has some larger display like 1.75 inches screen, and it has a pretty good resolution. It has like heart rate sensor, like only one sensor. It can measure heart rate and blood pressure and SpO2. I am not sure how they are getting SpO2 data from the same heart rate sensor, but they are getting it. And like it looks similar to the Apple Watch, and it looks stylish on your wrist. These are the features of this FCUK T1 series watch, which was launched on Sunday, 18th April 2021. Let me show you a similar watch kind of thing. Here, this one is some W26 plus Bluetooth smartwatch. It looks exactly similar to that watch. Even the display size, 1.75 inches screen, the resolution are also same, and even it will support this Bluetooth calling, and even the interface is also same. So like even these sports modes are also same for both the watches. So here you will think, okay, we are getting some bombarded with like FCUK is purchasing this watch and selling us under its brand. No, actually what's really happening is even this W26 company will be purchasing these watches from some Chinese manufacturers. So there is nothing wrong with FCUK. Like not only FCUK, even if you compare the sport, they will be purchasing their watches from some Chinese manufacturers. So these Chinese manufacturers will manufacture these watches and they will sell these watches to the brands like W26 and FCUK. This FCUK will then rebrand these watches under their brand. So here that the watch provided by Chinese manufacturer is renamed as W26 plus Bluetooth watch. The same watch is renamed as FCUK T1 series full touch screen watch. So there is no wrong in this. Like this is actually what will happen in the real world. So the main thing that's bothered me here is the companion app provided by this FCUK watch. So if I go down here, you can see the companion app is HiWatch app. And if I go to Play Store and look for this HiWatch, I will get a watch. This is the app, and the app is bare minimum. I will go through that watch app once after like in few minutes. So this HiWatch app is developed by some Chinese company. Let me go to this company's developer like view. Here you can see the same company is developing apps for like different smartwatches. One difference among all these apps is they will have different icons, but internal interface features and all are same across all these apps. Only the icon is different. So when I thought FCUK is releasing one watch, I thought it might have at least done some R&D and developed its own application for this watch. Actually, most of these manufacturers like Boat and Noise, they will purchase their smartwatches from Chinese brands, but they are at least developing their own application and linking with these smartwatches. But this FCUK not even did this R&D. They are directly given access to this Chinese app. Now let me tell you the problem with this Chinese app. They will access your contacts and all your private, like even have access to your messages, right? They can access the data. So when I went to do this HiWatch application review, like justuseapp.com, here it is given safety score of 61 percentage per 100. Let me tell you, 61 per 100 is not even a good score for an app that is privacy secured. It should have at least a score of around 75 to 100%. Those, so this is not even a good score, and they even have access to all this data. So I don't know what they will do, because it's a Chinese company, no? They can do whatever they want, and this is the main thing that concerned me.
Let us go through the HiWatch app here. I have downloaded this HiWatch app. Let us open it. If I open the app, the first thing that will come to me is this motion. It will track your steps, and if you click on this, it will show the history data. And other than that, if you swipe on the right, it will show the sleep data. And this sleep data, it will be taken, like, it might not be that accurate, because this sleep tracking is currently in development stage in all the smartwatches. So it might never be, like, it will take a time around 1 year to get stabilized. And other than that, there is nothing in this smartwatch icon, like red color icon that is highlighting here, right? Tracking, it will show, like, after that, if we swipe on the right, it will show this blood pressure. These are the two things that are present under heart. Other than that, there is nothing. On this watch, we have sleep and motion. On this heart rate, we have blood pressure and heart rate. And if we go to on the settings, it will show how, like, it will ask us to connect it to a device. The app is bare minimum. There is nothing in this app. If we look into some other apps like Huawei, Amazfit app, Zep app, they will provide much more features than this app. This app is a bare minimum. So as this app itself is developed by some Chinese brand, they will develop an app in consideration of many watches. I mean, that app should be suitable for all the watches they manufactured. So they will keep this app as bare minimum as possible. That's it. So there is no more data from this app.
I'll conclude this video and tell you whether you have to purchase this watch or not. If you are looking for some Apple Watch clone, like you can see this watch is similar to Apple Watch, and some stylish watch and a watch with call functionality, then you can go for this watch. But if you are into fitness and fitness tracking, don't even touch this watch, because the app is bare minimum, and I'm definitely sure it will not track as good as some of other brands watches, because they are actually going through this R&D. Here FCUK is not even taking care of R&D. So I'm definitely sure this fitness tracking will never be as good as this other brand, Boat and Noise. So if you are into fitness, go for some MI watch or Boat watch or this Noise. Don't even touch this watch. If you like this video, a subscribe to this channel will be highly appreciated. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit on that like button.